Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix unable to install app. Please try again later. So guys, if you are facing this problem while installing the apps, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys, turn it on aeroplane mode, and after that turn it off, and after that scroll it below, then here tap on journal, then tap on software update, and you have to make sure that there is no update on your iPhone. If there are any update, then simply do it first, and after that go back, and from here guys, simply tap on iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that there is enough storage on your device, and after that again go back, and from here guys, simply tap on date and time, and from here guys, set automatically and correct your date and time. So guys, after doing this and again go back, tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there is connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect it, and after that again go back, and from here guys, you have to just simply tap on language or region, tap on region and select your region. So guys, select your correct region, and after that again go back and tap on here App Store. From here guys, you have to just simply tap on app downloads and tap on always allow from here. So guys, after doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.